Hello again, and thanks for joining me. Today I want to show you these cute little snowmen I made out of vases and jars from the Dollar Tree. I love using my Waverly chalk paint. I think it's plaid. The color is it's like an off-white. It's not a true white. It's chalk paint, and I really liked the way that it looks, so I use it quite an awful lot. This jar that I'm painting was in the cup aisle, like the glassware aisle at the Dollar Tree, and I painted that, and I found some giant ornaments that I used for their heads, and I painted both the jar and the ornament, and then I made another snowman using the vase that you can see on the left, and then another ornament that is next to it. I liked using the silver one. It was more, I guess it was easier to paint over it. Definitely didn't want a glitter one. Or I guess you could do a glitter one. It would probably be cool too with the texture. So anyways, I painted both of those, and while that was drying, I painted the other one. And luckily enough, they stuck together because they were both wet paint. It's really hard to put those ornaments somewhere to dry, so I just put them right on top of the vase in the jar, and they stuck. So if they didn't stick for you, I would suggest using Gorilla Glue. So once those were painted, I found a whole selection of stuff. I didn't know what I was going to use for these snowmen. So I grabbed hats, I grabbed some scarves that I saw at the Dollar Tree. Everything that I used is from the Dollar Tree. This was a little scarf that I found, and I cut it, and it's stuck it just as it is with that cute little pom-pom at the end. And then I started painting his face. This was the boy, so up to you however you want to paint it or make it look. I picked this hat. I really like this one over the other one that I found. It was red and black plaid, but it also had burlap on it. This one was just all red and black plaid with a little embellishment on the front. And these little pom-poms, of course, you can find in the Christmas section of your Dollar Tree. And I used the bigger ones for this snowman, and then I used the smaller ones for the smaller snowman. Or I guess snow girl. I made it a girl. So I used different shades of orange. I think I added some white just to blend it in nice for her little carrot nose. And use Gorilla Glue to glue on his hat. Figured it would stick better than using hot glue. So for the smaller snowman, I found this cute little tree skirt, mini tree skirt somewhere. I know that Christmas stuff is all over the place at the Dollar Tree. It's in different aisles, and then it has its own section, and I was looking all over for different things to use to make these cute little snowmen. So I cut it, and then I wrapped it around the ornament to see how well it fit on the top. And then I got a little pom-pom, and I glued them all together. And there you see me using Gorilla Glue to put her hat on. And then this scarf I found also from the Dollar Tree. I think everything is from the Dollar Tree in this video. I trimmed it down and glued that little spot down on the side so that she just has a little end piece on the one side. And then I used the small little pom-poms, as you can see. And then I painted her little face. And it looks so cute. I'm so excited about these two little pieces. My kids love them. They want them in the rooms. I don't know what I'm going to do, if I'm going to sell them or if I'm going to put them up. But that's it. Cute little snowman. Nice and easy project for under $10. And you can't go wrong with snowmen. Please be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to share. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!